Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Smart Plug. First, find a convenient wall outlet, perhaps near a lamp or small appliance you wish to control. Carefully insert your new smart plug into the outlet. You will notice a soft blue light begin to blink. This light indicates the plug is now powered on and awaiting connection to your smart home system. It is a quick and simple first step to automating your home. Now open your Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap the device's icon at the bottom right, then select the plus sign in the top right corner. Choose Add Device, and from the options, select Plug. The app should quickly discover your new smart plug. If it does not appear immediately, try unplugging the smart plug for 10 seconds and then plugging it back in, restarting the discovery process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Once connected, controlling your plug is wonderfully simple. You can use voice commands such as, "Alexa, turn on the bedroom fan," or "Alexa, turn off the coffee maker." Alternatively, open your Alexa app, find your smart plug, and simply tap the on or off button. You can also create basic schedules. For instance, set your plug to power on your entryway light at 6 o'clock each evening and turn it off at 11 o'clock, adding convenience to your daily routine. Take your smart home further by grouping multiple plugs and devices together, allowing you to control an entire room with a single command like, "Alexa, turn on the living room." You can also create powerful routines, perhaps setting up a movie night routine that dims lights and turns on the television. These plugs offer significant convenience and can even help save energy by ensuring devices only draw power when truly needed. Enjoy the full potential of your smart home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.